Now say, now we call in the deputy leader of opposition. Here. Hi guys.
Actually, to tell you honestly, I'm really having difficulty in dealing with them because basically what they're trying to contend is that we want this debate because for the sake of physical attributes, and we really need this debate because, for the fact that we really did all a job, and stop everything and look like chin of all, for that matter, and we really need this debate. But first and foremost, let's talk about the standards of the debate coming from the Prime Minister and DPN. She said that we really need to win this debate because of physical attributes. We say coming from the opposition that no. Why? Because they already become, and we see that they're very much telegenic because they're already being projected in the television. Given that kind of idea when the speaker members of this house, we say that they're more beautiful than us. Given the fact that we have gays, which we believe gays are chaka, and girls are beautiful, they're here tonight, ladies and gentlemen. At a certain level of the speaker members of this house, let's say who really need this debate. Because what they keep on telling us that we need this debate because in order to uplift our, the way we are being presented here because we're changing. But never mind, ladies and gentlemen, that they really need this debate. Why? Because the moment they lose this debate, they will have no more face to be shown with ladies and gentlemen. But because the fact that they are ANC.
Lailag position.
Because the argumentation of
Lailag
PPM is this.
Second
We
speaker
believe
siya.
that they really need this debate and they really need to win this debate in order to really somehow concretize their achievement in ANC for that matter. Because the moment because what we believe coming from the opposition is that the moment they lose this round for the speaker members of this House, that's a great shame for us. And that's what matters here in this debate. And that's the humor round for that matter, ladies and gentlemen. But before that, yes.
These are the chaka, ladies and gentlemen. Look at Pepe Ganda Hari, and Mark can't be back in 5 or 10 years.
Look at Mark. You know Mark, look at Mark. He's not gay. I think you will be confused whether he's gay or not. Look at him. He's a barako. And you can gay for that matter. Just because Mark is gay doesn't necessarily mean he's beautiful because we believe coming from the opposition is not, and we believe that's a minus for us. The second argument coming from the opposition is that we believe that they should win this debate in terms of beauty and brains. Because never mind when the speaker members of this House, they're ANC. They want the debate at the same time they're beautiful. Why is that so? Never mind that all of them have boyfriends for that matter. Even two, like Mamara for that. I don't know. But even so, when the speaker members of this House, that alone prove to the body that they're beautiful because they have many admired for that. Even stalkers, Mother Speaker members of this House, to the point that these stalkers want to lose their life just to kiss Mamara for that matter. So that alone, it proves to his body that they have beauty and brains, and that necessarily should be contention and argument for this debate on why is it necessarily government should win this debate. Never mind that the opposition granting that I am handsome, and never mind Marcus Chaka, that alone the speakers are minus 14. Other than them, they're all beautiful and intelligent. And by that we okay.
All right. Number